is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. Today, I'm going to talk about how I used iCoinPro's Buddy coin crawler to locate a coin this morning, set an alert on it, and then profit from it later in the day in the afternoon. So let's go to the Buddy coin crawler. Okay, so here we are on iCoinPro's Buddy coin crawler. You might recall that from past videos, it's been a while since I've talked about this. I've focused mostly on altcoin alert, but iCoinPro's Buddy coin crawler is something I look at every day as well. So you may recall it's the average low of the coin, the low price, to the SMA line. So this tends to focus on the bigger movers of the day. I've got some double-digit ones here with the Binance up and down coins. Got some newer coins as well. Also some with practically no volume, like this Harmony coin, this USDC pair. So most of these I ignore. I have different ways of finding coins that I like among the up and down coins. So I scroll down, I see something in this range I'm looking at, and then this is the coin that catches my eye, NewBit Shares, NBS. So it's a 7.46%. So that's something I've looked at a few times last week and yesterday, but I haven't found a good entry point yet. So I click on this drop-down menu, gives me the trading view option. I've already marked the chart up, so let's check that out. So here's the NBS chart. It's what I was looking at this morning around 10:30. And it's just not doing much I can really do anything with. I do like that overall it's trending up. But you know me, I like dips and retraces, so I'm looking to catch something like this. A dip, then a retrace back up. A dip and then a retrace. That's the kind of thing I'm interested in. So I'm not really seeing that at the moment. So I go ahead and set an alert, trying to catch this to drop down to about 0.143, which is in this range here. And that's the kind of thing I'm looking for in this coin. So I use this little guy here. This is Binance's cryptocurrency price alert. It's a Chrome extension. I use my trading view alerts mostly on the RSI, so that they only give me 30. I don't want to pay for any more. So I use this guy as a supplement, and it's really simple to use. I can just show you right now. I select a pair, NBS. If I'm looking for it to go down to a certain level, I click the down. I can put a percentage here. I usually put a specific number that I'm looking for. Like it's at 1438 now. I might want it to go down to 1400. I click add the alert. And here it is. And so when this hits this price range, this will go off in sort of a chiming bell sound and let me know that it's good to go. I'm not sure if it's available on your phone or not, but I do most of my trading here on my desktop computer, so that's how I like to use it. Anyway, back to the trade. So I set my alert, I go about what I'm going to do, and then it goes off right about here at 1:20 p.m. And I look at this overall sequence, and I realize I'm in a 1-2-3 dip. It's a bit unusual. I've got 1, 2, not quite a third dip. Then it goes sideways down a little bit, but it never does hit the SMA line, so that means the dip sequence is still in play. Then it drops down here. So I get in at 13:21 at 14:30, and then I get a little bit of good luck. Coin goes sideways briefly and then spikes up. Takes me out at my desired 1559 at 1358 for 8.91% profit. I'm in this coin for 37 minutes and I've got nearly 9%, so I'm loving that as a day trader. Regarding my exit point, I was really just looking for a retrace up in these resistance areas. So I was looking at this range here, around 1570, and I just dropped a little bit in case it didn't quite make it to 1559. And as you can see, it spiked up and took me out pretty quickly. So that's today's trade of the day. I hope you can also benefit from this little guy here, the Bitcoin price alert function on Chrome. And that's all I have for now. So I will see you next time. Tomorrow will probably be my last video of the year. I'm taking a break until for Christmas and the New Year until 2021. But if something really compelling comes along, maybe I'll do another video. Otherwise, happy holidays. See you soon. Bye. One more thing, please stay tuned for some additional messages and check out the comments below regarding the tools and resources that I use. Also, I have 199 subscribers to my Crypto CJ's Trading Odyssey YouTube channel. One more would be good. So if one of you who has not subscribed could find it in your heart to subscribe, I would love to get that 200 before the holiday. Thanks. I'll see you next year.